Going to the Amazon rainforest is in almost every tourist's dream, as it is the biggest forest in the world. It has been recorded that the forest is home to more than 30 million insect species and other animals too. It generates around 21% of the total oxygen of the world, so you can guess its importance. With all that, the forest is also home to the most dangerous animals in the world. Going to the Amazon without knowing about them can put you in grave danger. Let us tell you about the 10 most dangerous animals of the Amazon rainforest. But before we get to that, don't forget to subscribe. Number 10. Bullet ant. The bullet ant is one of the creatures of the Amazon rainforest that is best avoided if you can spot it. This small insect is capable of bites that can trigger an extreme level of pain in the bitten area. The sting from a bullet ant is perhaps the most painful insect sting ever known to humans. The venom-filled sting from a bullet ant would feel like being shot. That's why this deadly ant is named the bullet ant. They are found in the lowland rainforests of Nicaragua, Bolivia, and Paraguay. They mainly live at the bases of trees. Bullet ants are also among the largest ants in the world. The bullet ant sting is almost 30 times more painful than a honeybee sting. They use such an intensely painful sting solely for their defense. When threatened, no matter whether it's a large animal or a human, bullet ants will sting repeatedly. Their venom causes intense pain, burning, and swelling. Typically, the pain of bullet ant sting will last for 24 hours. Number 9. Piranhas. The piranha is probably the most feared predator of the Amazon rainforest. They are freshwater fish known for their powerful jaws and razor-sharp teeth. They have one of the strongest bites among bony fishes, and the black piranha's bite is one of the most forceful bites among vertebrates. The bite of the piranha can easily tear through all flesh, including that of humans. They primarily feed on fishes, insects, algae, and seeds. The group attack from piranhas is rare. During the starving period or when provoked by humans or other animals, they attack in a group. A group of hungry piranhas will attack almost anything they find within their range. Interestingly, a group of piranhas could strip even the flesh of a large animal within minutes. The sharp triangular teeth and powerful jaws aid them in such an attack. Piranha attacks on humans are rare. However, in the dry season when food is scarce, they may attack even humans. Number 8. Electric eel. Despite the name, it is not an eel, but rather a knife fish. The electric eel is the only species in the Amazon ecosystem that can blast prey with 500 volts of electricity. These electric fish inhabit fresh waters of the Amazon basin and Orinoco River in South America. 3 pairs of abdominal organs in the fish allow it to generate electricity enough to stun an adult human being. The eels use their electricity-generating capacity to stun prey before consuming them. Fatal attacks on humans are rare, but not completely non-existent. Many humans have suffered shocks from electric eels, often while accidentally stumbling upon them, though they rarely die. Death only occurs with multiple shocks or when the victim is too paralyzed to move and ends up drowning. It is classified as the top 25 predators in the world. The electric eel grows between 6 foot and 8 foot in length and almost 20 kilograms in weight. Number 7. Poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs are some of the most colorful creatures you'll find in the Amazon rainforest. They are generally found in rainforests of Costa Rica, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, and Venezuela. But beware, their bright coloration is a warning. These brightly colored species of frogs have great toxicity and levels of alkaloids poison, which they secrete through their skin, which is absorbed in large amounts and can cause heart failure within minutes. The golden poison dart frog is the most poisonous species of the family. It is estimated that they contain enough venom to kill 10 adult humans. In the Amazon, they are found in marshes, lakes, swamps, streams, and rivers. In the wild, the poisonous dart frogs gain the highly dangerous poison from their diets, such as ants, centipedes, and termites. Number 6. Wandering spider. This extremely aggressive and deadly spider is found in the Amazon rainforest of several South American countries, including Brazil, Peru, Ecuador, and Venezuela. The Brazilian wandering spider is the most venomous arachnid in the world. Even the specific name of the spider, Phonutria, means murderous in Greek. They are also found in many human-inhabited parts of Brazil. As the name suggests, the Brazilian wandering spider is the deadliest living spider in the world. The spiders are called wandering spiders as during the night they prefer to crawl on the floor of the jungle, looking for prey instead of building webs and staying in them. During the daytime, they hide in some parts of houses, under rocks, or fallen logs. As a result of this, they encounter humans a lot. Once disturbed, Brazilian wandering spiders will bite repeatedly. They are also famous for showing a defensive display by lifting their body and hind legs. This spider is regarded as the world's most venomous spider and potential enough to harm humans. An antidote has been found for them, but until 1996, 14 people were reported to have died from the bites of the wandering spider. The venom of the spider causes extreme pain and inflammation, as well as a loss of muscle control, which might lead to respiratory paralysis and death. Number 5. Amazonian centipede. Also known as giant yellow-leg centipede, the Amazonian giant centipede is found in various places in South America. It is one of the largest species of centipedes in the world and known to be very aggressive. This centipede can grow up to 10 to 12 inches long and is another fierce predator in the Amazon rainforest, feeding on anything it can kill. Yes, anything from insects, tarantula, small birds, lizards, frogs, mice, small snakes, and even bats. They coil their bodies around their prey, eating it while it is still alive. The centipede's primary weapons for killing prey are a pair of modified legs called forcipules. The centipede uses the forcipules to penetrate the body of the victim and inject a highly toxic venom into the bloodstream. Humans can't be eaten, but if they get bitten, the Amazonian giant centipede can cause pain, chills, fever, and weakness. A 4-year-old human child was reported to have been killed by the centipede's venom. The killer creatures can even climb to the ceilings of caves, where they can hold and manipulate their prey like bats with only a few legs attached to the ceiling. Number 4. Black caiman. The black caiman is one of the biggest alligators in the world. The massive predator lives in the lakes, slow-flowing rivers, and seasonally flooded savannas of the Amazon basin. It is regarded as the biggest predator of the Amazon ecosystem and feeds on a variety of birds, reptiles, fish, and mammals. The powerful creature is capable of taking in any animal that unknowingly goes into its territory, and that also includes humans. Between January 2008 and October 2013, black caimans attacked 43 people, but less than 1/5 of those attacks were fatal. They are huge in size and can easily entangle a hippo too. Number 3. Bugs. Many people assume that mosquitoes, and bugs more generally, are a universal presence in places like the Amazon. Mosquitoes thrive in hot and humid tropical environments, and the Amazon rainforest provides the ideal conditions for these insects. For a visitor to the Amazon rainforest, mosquitoes are perhaps the most dangerous creatures. There are around 30 million species of insects residing in the Amazon, ranging in everything from wasps, beetles, dragonflies, and ants to mosquitoes, moths, caterpillars, grasshoppers, spiders, and plenty more besides. A bite from the mosquitoes might cause malaria and yellow fever. Tourists to the Amazon are advised to take all necessary precautions to avoid mosquito bites, which include yellow fever vaccinations and mosquito repellent creams and other related preventive measures. And with that, it's now time for today's subscriber pick. Today's photo was sent to us by a subscriber. If you come across a photo online and want to know more details about it, just send it over to us. We might even feature it in a future video. Number 2. This picture seems like it was photoshopped, but we get the reason why someone would edit it. Amazon is home to the biggest snake in the world, known as a green anaconda. They are over 30 feet long and weighing over 500 pounds. It lurks in the Amazon River, lying in wait for prey. Because of its size, the green anaconda is not that deadly on land. But in water, it can move stealthily and quickly and can kill jaguars, caimans, wild pigs, deer, and even humans, especially children. This non-venomous species found in South America lives in swamps and marshes of Venezuela, Brazil, Ecuador, and Peru.
I saved the best for last, but first, I have a quick challenge that takes only 5 seconds to complete. If you can leave a like and subscribe within the next 5 seconds, you'll get 10 years of amazing luck. Just try it, it really works.
Number 1. Jaguar. Jaguars are among the most endangered and deadliest Amazon rainforest animals, obviously due to human interventions. Measuring 43 to 75 inches in length and up to 135 kilograms in weight, the jaguars are the largest member of the cat family, called Felidae. They are found in several habitats, including rainforests, grasslands, and woodlands. The jaguar is well adapted to kill. The diet of the jaguar is wide and includes at least 87 species. Although humans do not feature in this diet, it is easy for a jaguar to kill an adult human being. The jaguar is an efficient killing machine that employs suffocation and deep throat bite technique to kill its prey. Even though both jaguars and leopards have the same kind of patterns, jaguars are heavier than leopards. Also, the leopards are not found in the Americas. They are distributed throughout Africa and Asia. They hunt typically at dawn and dusk. Jaguars will make a sudden attack on their prey. With powerful jaws and sharp teeth, they will crush the skull of the prey within no time. That is our list of the 10 most dangerous animals of the Amazon rainforests. Which ones have you seen with your own eyes? Tell us in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.